To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Begin by removing the two screws at the base of your iPhone using the special tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com. Gently press down and slide to remove your iPhone's back cover. Remove the screw securing the battery connector. Disconnect the original battery. Loosen the battery adhesive using a blow dryer if needed. Be careful not to overheat your iPhone. Remove the original battery. Connect your new extended life battery from newpower99.com as shown. Carefully seat the battery. Replace the screw to secure the battery connector. Replace your iPhone's back cover as shown. Replace the two screws at the base of your iPhone. Turn on your iPhone with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your iPhone should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the unit for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. NewPower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.